Hey guys, welcome back. This is Dina. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So I just showered. I was just about to get ready and I thought, why don't I show you like my day-to-day skincare routine and like my basic makeup. Okay, this is just basic. This is mostly like my lockdown makeup. But still, once you get up, you get ready, you feel like just putting a little bit of makeup, not much, but I like to do my brows and do my lashes. I just like to put some mascara and some lipstick. So I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine, and then how I get ready for a basic day. So let's start. So guys, the first step obviously is washing your face, and the face wash that I use is this. This is the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. It doesn't have any soap in it, so it's basically soap free, and it doesn't have any fragrance, no parabens, no SLS, all these things. And if you're like really confused, if you don't know what's your skin type, and if you have like sensitive skin, sometimes you just get confused. Sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's dry. This is the best face wash for you. So I've been using it for a while, and I'm going to use it now, and I'm going to show it to you. So mostly I like things with a lot of fragrance because it gives a nice smell, and of course you like to smell good. But if there's no fragrance, means it doesn't have any harsh chemicals, so that's the most important thing. So I'm going to wash my face now. So I've taken about so much of face wash. I'm going to wash my face. So just because it's like kind of soap free, ऐसे झाग नहीं आएंगे, okay? So if you're wondering कि यार इतना सारा वो लगा लिया face wash and कुछ झाग ही नहीं आ रहा है, so that's the reason why. I'm done with this. Just splash some water and remove this. So I'm done with washing my face. When I said this doesn't have any fragrance, doesn't mean it smells bad or anything. It has like colloidal, oatmeal, then glycerin, all these things, which is pleasant, okay? So there's no like artificial fragrance, but it smells good. So done with that. Now I'm going to apply a nice moisturizer, obviously to moisturize and hydrate my skin. If you can see, my skin already feels like so fresh. I mean, can you guys see it? I feel so fresh. So now I'm moving on to my moisturizer. It's called Neutriderm. It's the moisturizing lotion, and this has vitamin E, so it really nourishes your skin, and you won't feel your skin is like too dry or too oily. It just hydrates your skin properly. Okay, so I'm going to use about so much. This is good enough. So just massage your skin really well. Don't forget your neck. This is also really good. I like this product. Doesn't make my skin too greasy or oily or anything. I'm done with applying the moisturizer, and this also calms your like burnt skin, because if you have like sunburn or anything, and really nourishes your skin, as I told you. One very important step is I forgot to tell you that you can use a toner after your face wash. You can use any toner of your choice, and what I use, this is what I do at night. I use rose water. I don't use any chemical toners. So once I've done that, just because it's daytime and even if you're not going out, it's very important to apply sunscreen. And the sunscreen that I use is by Lush Shield, and this is my regular sunscreen. It works for me, and it's really good. So this is SPF 40, which is good enough. I'm done with prepping my skin. I'm just going to do like a very simple makeup. Just going to do my brows real quick. So I'm done with my brows. I'll just put some mascara. Done with my mascara. I'll just apply some lip balm. And then my lipstick. I'll use the same lipstick here on my cheeks. So guys, I'm ready, and if you want to know from where you want to get these products, I'll put the link down below, and you can just ask me anything in the comment section below, makeup related, skincare, whatever. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is LeenaGardaOfficial, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.